guys, welcome back to my channel. It's ItsRubyC. So today I'm coming at you guys with a hair review. I just ordered some new hair, guys. I'm so excited. It's been a while since I actually ordered some like virgin hair. Like, it's been maybe 2 years. The last hair that I got, and I've only ordered hair once, and that was the Aliexpress Beauty Forever Brazilian body wave. So I'll leave the link to that hair review down below. I did that, and I think it was the 3-month review or so, or a 1-year review, something like that. I'll leave the links down to both videos. So today I got some hair, y'all. I got some hair. It's popping. It's popping. Okay, so the hair that I got was from Alishes hair store from Aliexpress, and I got the Malaysian curly hair in a 16, 18, 20, and a 14-inch middle part closure. So I ordered the hair on, it was Thursday, and then Thursday night I got a message that they didn't have my phone number, so it would delay the whole shipping process, and I'm like, oh lord. So they finally shipped it on Friday, and they told me like it'll take 3 business days. So I was really thinking that it would come on Wednesday, but actually came yesterday, Monday. So it took 3 business days to get here from the time I ordered, or 5 days in total if you want to count all the days. So I got it yesterday, and this is the package that it came in. Just says human hair. And so in the package it came with some lashes. That's what it looks like. And I don't really do lashes, so I'll probably give them to my best friend because I'm not that too much of a makeup person. You don't really see any makeup tutorials on my channel, just like my everyday makeup. I think I did that video, but other than that, I don't really do makeup and eyelashes and all that stuff, unless I'm going out too. But yeah, let's get into the hair. So they label all the packages with the inches. So start with the lace closure. So this is the 14-inch. I'm holding it backwards. Okay, 14-inch lace part closure. So I'm gonna open that up. And guys, when I initially opened it, it did have a smell. I'll tell you guys that. But to me, the smell wasn't as stinky as some people. I feel like some people are just over dramatic. They're like, oh my gosh, the smell was so bad. I couldn't breathe. Oh my god, I was dying. It smells bad, but it just smells like hair. I don't even know how to describe it. It smells like the Beauty Forever hair that I got. It just smells like foreign hair. Like, foreign hair. So this is what the lace part closure looks like. 14 inches. The hair is soft. It's not like extremely soft. It's soft. The ends are really good. Here, I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, so the ends are pretty good. And this is what it looks like. So the knots aren't bleached. I don't really bleach knots. To me, it's not that big of a deal. But we'll see. Maybe my best friend could bleach it for me. I will make a wig out of this, and I'm going to post a video of me making the wig, so y'all can see how that turns out. But yeah, so this is the 14-inch closure. And another thing, the communication with the seller, it was really good. I believe his name was Kevin. He was messaging me like every single day. But the only annoying thing is, now that I got the hair, he's like, oh, make a review, make a review, make a review. I'll give you $10 off your next thing. And I'm like, yo, listen, bruh. Can I look at the hair? Can I actually wear the hair before I go and give it 5 stars? He's like, oh, if you give it 5 stars, I'll give you $10 off. And I see that, like, I see the other reviews, and I see everyone like, oh my gosh, this hair is so amazing, oh my god, after 1 day. And then if you read like additional after like 30 days or after 14 days, they're like, this hair is trash, da da da. So I'm not gonna go rush and put in a fake review when I don't even know how the hair is. $10 off is not that deep to me, okay? So here's the other bundle. So this is the 16-inch. This is the 18-inch. And then this is the 20 inch. So hold it back for you. That's what it looks like. And so as you can see, they do look like they're all 2 inches apart. Like from the 16 to the 18, the 18 to the 20. They do look like they're 2 inches apart. So one thing I could say, the ends do look good. I know I saw another review on YouTube where this girl was like, oh, the ends are so trash. They're so raggedy. But this one, the ends look really good. And it does have, this is a 16 inch. It has some blonde pieces, some brown. I actually like it though. It has some like auburn looking pieces too. So this looks like it has a couple of highlights in it. Let me see if I could get close enough for you guys to see. But this is actually soft. This is a lot softer than the closure. And it does have that same smell, but I will be co-washing this before I slap it on my dome cap to make the wig. But this is what the weft looks like. It's really big. It looks sewed on pretty well. I don't see that many beards. I see a couple of beards, but not as many. So yeah, this seems like a solid like bundle, and it's really soft actually. And I like the highlights in it, for real. Like, one thing I wanted to do with this hair was dye it. I was gonna dye it to this auburn color, and then I thought maybe I should do some highlights. But my best friend was like, listen girl, you spent some money on this, don't go and dye it with some Dollar Tree dye, because that's exactly what I was about to use. She knows me so well. I was about to grab some, well, I still have my Dollar Tree dye, and I was just about to dye it auburn or do some auburn highlights. But yeah, and also the price. I didn't tell you guys the price. So all together for 3 bundles and a lace closure, I paid $87, guys. Less than $100, less than $90. So one thing I have to say is y'all need to pay attention to the coupons. The store does have coupons, so you need to clip those coupons and use them, because this would have came out to $90, but I think like depending on how much you spend, you could get some money off. So I got $3 off. So ooh. So this is the 20-inch bundle, and this one has the highlights in it too, and I'm not mad at it. This one's soft too. So this would be down here. And this is a good length. I didn't want it too long where it looked fake, but I did want it to be long. So even up here, it's pretty good. Pretty good. So this is a 20-inch. Ends are nice as well. And yeah, this is really soft. And so I'm going to open up the last one for you guys, the 18-inch. So yeah, like I said, I will be making a wig. I don't plan on wearing it every day, just because, if y'all don't know, I'm a nurse. So I keep looking down here because I'm used to my camera being down here. But if y'all don't know, I'm a nurse. Follow my nursing channel. If you didn't know, I have a second YouTube channel, The Nursing Jewel. So I'll leave the link to that down below. But yeah, I'm a nurse, so usually when I'm working, my hair is just tied back. Or like today, I just did this wrap and called it a day. So really, I'm not going to be wearing the wig all the time. So to me, I feel like the hair should last longer because I'm not doing that much wear and tear on it. But yeah, so the wig will be worn like usually if I go out or something. So this is the 18-inch. This one too is soft. Has the same smell. This is what the weft looks like. And I didn't show you what the 20-inch weft looks like. But as usual, the longer the hair, the smaller the weft. So the 20-inch weft is smaller than this. But yeah, ends look good on this one too. Yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. And like I said, this one has the highlights too. I'm not mad at the highlights, so I'm excited for this. There's a little tingling when I run my hands through it. But, oh, ho, ho, ho. What we got here? What we got here? I ran my hands through it, guys, and I got a little bit of shedding. Right here, I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, I got a little bit of shedding just by running my hands through that, so. But I'm not a big complainer. This was some cheap hair. Like I said, $87. So I'm not going to be like, oh my gosh. Like, you get what you pay for. And right now I'm happy with what I paid for. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and co-wash this hair. And I will see you guys next time when I do my making my wig video. But yeah, I'm really excited for this hair. I've been wanting some curly hair for like the longest, and I've been researching, and I'm like, okay, Malaysian curly, that's the exact type of curl and volume that I want. And then I was like, okay, now time to find a cheap hair company. So I was like looking at different cheap hair companies, and some of them had bad reviews. And Alishes, or Alishes, however you want to pronounce it, they had like better reviews on the hair. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go with them. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Woo! Can't talk. And also check out my other Aliexpress hair video where I reviewed Beauty Forever. Hey! Talking like an African. Beauty Forever. Beauty Forever's Brazilian body wave. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.